Hello friends, welcome to Learn1. In previous lecture, we have learned the practicals of initializer and instance method. And today, we will learn about class method in Ruby.
Class methods. In Ruby, any method that will be called upon a class that will be known as class methods. These class level methods can be accessed throughout the program from anywhere. What just we need to do is we need to call that class dot the execution name of the method, and in this way we can easily handle and work with class methods. So here in a screen you can see an example. In this example you can see that I have created user class and one self dot method. What this actually do is it will take two parameters as an argument, first name and last name, and that will concatenate to that both the variables and return us the string. So whenever I want to call this method, what I need to do is I need to write the class, that is user dot the method name, and we can easily access the class level methods. For the class level methods, one thing that we need to keep in mind is every class level method must start with a predefined Ruby keyword, that is self. So for example, I want to create one method get full address. For that I need to write def self dot my method name. So this is a basic level syntax that we need to consider while working with class level variable. In instance level methods, we see that we do not need to specify any predefined keyword while defining a method.
In next lecture, we will learn about class and methods in Ruby, how to define class, how to define methods of that class, and some practical stuff. In next lecture, we will learn the practicals of class methods.